Hello, my name is Philip Martin from Streamlight Europe. I would like to show you a new, very compact work light called the Syclone JR. It's a very nice, very small, compact USB rechargeable light with two spot modes, one with 85 and up to 210 lumens. So it works in a very different environments. It can be like put on a magnet in anything you want to, or you can also hook it from a little place, actually adjust the light wherever you need it. So it's rechargeable by USB charge cord, and also there is a charge indicator in the switch at the top. So when it goes orange, you've got a few minutes, several minutes left of work. When it goes red, you only got a few minutes of work left. So very nice and compact work lights, just to illuminate various areas where you're working, in a maintenance workshop, whatever, or an automobile or anything like this. So it's nice and very compact and very light as well. So that's it. That's the Syclone JR.